guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a DIY for you guys. Yes, a DIY. So with this DIY, I'm going to show you how I clean my microwave with a lemon. That way we're not using harsh chemicals. So for me and my family, like my kids and myself, have asthma, so a lot of harsh chemicals have a tendency to interfere with our asthma. So I have a really great way of how I clean my microwave without all the chemicals. So let's jump right into this video. So as you can see, I let my microwave get pretty nasty so that I can do this video, because I usually wipe my microwave out once a week. So I had to let it build up just so I can get this video. You can see food all over the door, food out inside of the microwave. So with no further ado, let's clean this mess up. So first off, you want to start off with a microwavable safe bowl, glass, Tupperware, whatever. Got a cup of water here. I'm going to do like a cup and a half. So that's 1 cup, and that's a half cup. Next, you want to take your lemon. I have some lemon here that I used for a previous recipe I decided to keep, so I'm going to use that. So you want to squeeze some of the lemon juice over in there and just drop the rinds right on, Mommy, right over in it. Mommy, I eat up. Like that. And this one I have squares, like I said, previous to a recipe I had cooked. So I'm just gonna drop that lemon right over in there, and I'm gonna take another half of a lemon and squeeze that juice in there as well, and drop that over in there. It don't matter if they right side up or upside down. Okay, so now we're gonna take our lemon water and we're gonna place it in the microwave, close the door, and we're gonna set it for 5 minutes. And we just gotta wait. We are down to 20 seconds from our 5-minute countdown. So once this 5 minutes is up, we are going to, before we open the microwave door, you want it to sit for additional 5 minutes. So once that 5 minutes sits, we'll be back. Our additional 5 minutes is up. As you can see, our microwave has still been closed because it still says in. So all we're gonna do now is open it up. So be very careful with taking your bowl out. Use your oven mitten because it can be hot. So let me see, can I get this out? I'm gonna get my other one. There we go. So safely remove the lemon water from the microwave, and if your microwave do have a tray, you can just take the tray out to clean it. I'm gonna take this little piece out. And now with it sitting, the steam has caused the microwave to come clean. As you can see, we can just wipe the microwave clean. That additional 5 minutes caused it to steam. So you just take it, you can take paper towels, you can take a wet rag, you can take whatever you need to just wipe the microwave down now without the harsh chemicals. You see that at the bottom, how they just nicely just washed away. So now I'm just gonna wash the walls. And they just wipe away so easy, like no hard work, no scrubbing, simple. Like, this is the most safest, quickest, and fastest way you could clean your microwave. Like I said, this is one of my definitely go-to cleaning techniques. That's because my kids have asthma, and with that being said, using harsh chemicals in a microwave can look at that. It just wipes right on off. That's amazing. I love it. And with the lemon, using lemon, not only does it smell fresh, but it also disinfects the microwave. It's amazing. Who would have thought that a lemon would clean your microwave the way it cleans? So I'm just gonna finish cleaning the inside of the microwave, cleaning the back of it, the back of the microwave, like that. It just wipe right on out. And one little spot left in the corner. Oh, and wipe on top. Perfect. All right, there you have it, a perfectly clean microwave down to the door. Perfect. So now we're just gonna put our microwave back together. As I said, with the tray, it's the same thing, the same rule. You just wipe it down with a wet rag or a paper towel, and you just place it back in there. There we have it, a nice, clean, disinfect, chemical-free microwave. So, ta-da! I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how I safely, chemical-free clean my microwave. This is my go-to every time because it's easy, okay? So I'm all about stuff being easy and quick. So with that being said, comment below and let me know how you clean your microwave or what you use to clean your microwave. And if you try this recipe, also, I'm sorry, I'm talking too fast. If you try this DIY, how I clean my microwave with the lemon, comment below and let me know how it worked for you. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.